Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers, in front of me Xiaomi Pad 6, and now I'm going to show you how to resolve the problem when screen is not responding on this device. So basically you can have this trouble because of two reasons. So mechanical physical damage of your tablet, of your screen or touch on your screen, or just your MIUI system is freezing. And in the second way, it's very easy to fix. You just need to perform the force restart. Of course, if you have the first situation, you just need to take your tablet to the customer service. I can't help you in this situation. But if you just have the freezing of MIUI, so just press and hold power and volume up buttons. Power and volume up buttons together. Press until you will see the MIUI logo and release the both of keys, and you will see the main menu of the recovery mode. Here you just need to, using the volume up and down buttons, use reboot and click power, and click reboot the system, power again, and just wait a while. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!